Hello YouTube, I'm Jonah. And on my last video, I showed you how these pesky bagworms have come back again. They haven't come back for the last 2-3 years, but now they have come to infest my cedar trees once again. They also usually appear after a big rainstorm or windstorm. The winds may carry them for long distance until they land on your cedar trees. If you notice your cedar trees or your neighbor's cedar trees dying from the top, take a closer look and you'll notice the bagworms, little cocoons, feasting on your trees. Just to show you what they look like when they try to crawl away. They can grow from 500 to over 1,000, and they will decimate all your cedar trees and cedar bushes. So once again, this is how I get rid of them. And if you know of another way, write them down in my comments. First, get yourself a container, put it on the ground, and here we go. Start picking up these babies. And just to let you know, I'm going to start a running count just to see how many of them are eating up my trees. Start tossing them in the ground. And if you like my video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Okay, I got about 80 so far. And this is just kind of like eye level here, but you can see the rest is way up there. So I'm gonna have to get a ladder to finish that up. And that's 80 so far. And it looks like I have one more over here. 81. So now I'm gonna get a ladder to get the ones way up there. You can tell where it's starting to brown. Some areas starting to get eaten up, starting to die, the leaves. Okay, so let's get up there. 81 so far. Okay, only infected this set of trees. That one's okay, I checked. And the one over there, okay, I checked there, so good so far too. This is the big one, 82 so far. Okay, I bring out the ladder and my wife Nancy is gonna come and help me out. Also to stabilize the ladder so I don't fall. We're going up here, here. There they are. So, right on top of my ladder. There we go. Okay, and it's gonna have it ready there when I drop it. 1, 2, 82, 84. 5, 6. Actually hard to get sometimes. Okay, 100 bagworms. All right. This is what 127 bagworms look like inside over here. I can see some of them moving inside their cocoon. So. There's one moving there, right there. See it? There's one there. They're inside there hiding. Oh, it's starting to come out. You see it? See it? There they are, moving around. Those little buggers. Okay, time to get rid of them. And just to let you know, do not put them in trash garbage bags because they will bite through and they will escape. I know because it happened to my friend Dave. So this is one way to get rid of them permanently. And this is the second way I get rid of them.
This is the fastest and most easiest way. You don't have to cut your tree or burn them anymore. Spectricide Bug Stop Home Barrier. Kills on contact, indoor plus outdoor insect control. My friend and neighbor Paul introduced me to this. He picked it up in the States in a local hardware store. And this thing works great. And just to let you know, I have no affiliation with this product and I'm not paid to promote it. This is just my personal experience and my personal opinion. The bagworm that I saw, I put a few spray on them to make sure to get rid of them. Now, they might come back next summer, but I know I am ready for them. So if you like my video and find it helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you always get my latest videos.